I'm in this 2016 Jeep Cherokee, and there are some complaints about the operation of the climate control. As you can see, the climate control is currently off. I'll turn it on. The temperature is set at 77. We put it in auto mode so it controls everything. And one of the complaints is where the air is coming from. Usually at this temperature, with the external temperature of 26 degrees, which you can see right there, the air should be coming out of the registers down by your feet. In this case, you can really hear the air coming out up top here by the defrost, and down here there's very little air coming out, almost none. So let's see if we do it manually. Let's run through the different modes. So we'll go to the face mode. No longer hear air coming from the defrost area. Got good air coming out of the center registers all the way across. And then we'll go to what should be the center or face registers and the feet. Click that, and immediately I start hearing a lot of air rushing from the defrost area. We still have air coming out of here, and then looking down here, there's very little air coming out from underneath at the register. I got my fingers up in the outlet for the air and almost no air coming out. So if we go to strictly down by the feet, again, you heard the pop of air. We have a lot of air coming out of the defrost area, and again, we're supposed to only have air coming out at the lower register or the heating area down here by your feet, and there's almost no air coming out of here whatsoever. So let's try defrost and heat. Interestingly, there's a little change in the sound, so it's almost like one of the blend doors is messed up. So I go to just the foot. You hear one sound, and then I'll switch it to defrost and the foot. You hear a little change in the sound. Go back to just feet. Bottom line is that there's a lot of abnormal air coming from here when we're supposed to be in strictly the lower register or heat only coming out at your feet. Now if I put it in strictly defrost, the fan will bump up automatically, and we'll turn it back down to 4 or 3 so we have an accurate comparison. So that jams it all the way up. Let's put it back down to 4 where it was before, and we strictly have air coming out of the top. Nothing or very little from the center registers, and certainly absolutely nothing now from the bottom. And if we switch back to defrost and feet, we still hear the air coming out of here as we should at the top. We have very little air coming out of the bottom here, almost none. And we'll switch again one more time to the feet, and again we hear air rushing from up here, nothing out of here, and down the bottom virtually nothing. So there's something wrong with the air distribution mode system in the plenum, and the air is not going where it's supposed to per the controls, and this is a continued abnormal condition.